everybody to Benefit, and in today's video we are continuing our subtraction part of our calculator. So yes, let's get started. So first we will declare our variables. So count is going to be our counter, difference is going to be the answer, and then amount is going to be the amount of how many numbers they want to be subtracted. So amount of numbers to be subbed. Let's just say it like that. And then now we can say our first is going to be our first number they want to subtract from. So we say first is an input, and we just say first number. Okay, there we go. Okay, then we start off our while loop. So we say while count is smaller than amount, but there is one mistake that we are going to get now, but I'm quickly going to go on and then show you the mistake. Okay, so we say while count is smaller than amount, then we say a is an input as usual and number. Okay, and then we say first is equals to first minus a. Okay, so let's just quickly go over. First here will be our first number, as you can see. So now they say 5, and then here is a. So a, let's say they say 3, so then first, which is this one, is then equals to first, which was 5 minus and then 3, so then it will be equals to 2. Okay, then we say count is equals to count plus 1. Okay, and then at the end we just say print, and your result was, let's just end that off, and then we print first. Okay, but here is going to be a mistake, so let's just quickly run this. So amount of numbers to be subbed, let's say just 2, and first number, okay, so just remember we say 2. Okay, so that's a very important thing you have to remember. We say we want, I was spelling mistake, and we say we want to subtract 2 numbers. So this is our first number, let's say 5, and then minus 2, so that should give us 3. But as you can see, it asks another number, but here's already our first 2, like we said there. So there's a mistake here, and then we just say 0, so the result was 3. So all that's wrong is it asks one too many number. Okay, so just to fix that, we put amount at the while loop here, as you can see, the while count, and then we just put it in little brackets like that, and then we just say minus 1. Basically we just minus this. Minus 1 is this one that we are minusing because we are already asking first number. Okay, so let's quickly run this again, and amount of numbers to be subtracted, 2 again, let's say 10 this time, minus 5, that should give us 5. Okay, so as you can see, our program works. Okay, so then I will see you guys in the multiplication part of our calculator.